In this video, we're asked to construct a method called height, which will return the height of a binary tree. The way it asks us to describe the height is to look at the total number of levels here. So as you can see in this binary tree map, or binary tree, we have 5 levels, so therefore the height is equal to 5. In this case, this has let me draw it out. This has 3 individual levels, so 3, 2, and 1, and so it'll return a height of 3. And in this case, this has 4 levels, so it'll return a height of 4. So, because we know we're dealing with height, we know that our type is going to be of the integer, so we'll want to return an integer value there. And so we do have a case. What if the tree's height is 0? Well, at that point, if height is 0, then we know that the roots are equal to null. There's nothing in it. It's an empty tree. So let's get started with this. We've actually got enough information at this point to write the method. So we're going to say public integer. We're going to look at height of the root. We want to return our private method, which is going to take, big surprise, overall root. And so what we're going to do there is we're going to get into our private helper method here. So private integer height. This will take an integer tree node. Surprise, surprise there. I mean, it's kind of what we've been doing this whole time, so it's, you can kind of guess that it's gonna come up. And remember, our base case, we only have 1, so if our root is equal to null, then we want to return 0. Otherwise, we want to keep looking down the tree, and we know that we've already got 1 level because we're looking at something here. So we want to look at the maximum value between we'll actually call upon math.max because we want to look at the maximum level between the left root and the right root. Because if we were just to return the right and the left root, we'd be getting a ridiculously high number. You know, in this case, sorry about that. Let me actually finish this first. So if we were returning 1 plus height of root left plus a calling of root dot right with height, what we'd end up getting is something ridiculous because we look here. If we look down the left side here, it has 1, 2, 3, level of 3. Then we'd be adding 1, 2, 3, 4 upon that, so we'd be adding 4 levels to that. So that's 7 there. And then we'd be adding 1, 2, 3, 4, another 4. So we'd be getting 11 levels here, which makes no sense because we know that if we cut this off into different levels here, we have 1 level, 2 level, 3 levels, and 4 levels. That is not equal to 11 there. So that's why we want to use math.max because you know, we don't want to return 3 here. We want to return the absolute lowest. So we're going to use our mathematical helper there. See you guys in the next video.